Hello, it's Monday the 24th of October. This is Steve O'Hare from Signal Centre powered by Acuity. Now, this week we're going to look at the market alert. It's FTSE or the UK100 as it is on these charts. I'm going to go through the technical analysis and then run through the different timeframes followed by the new sentiment analysis, some things lining up quite nicely, as you'll see. So let's start with the weekly chart on the FTSE. And as you can see, we had, this is the weekly chart from March the 20th, March 2020. That's the low of the pandemic. The rally higher all the way up to where we got up to in February this year. Also, we returned there, got close to there in April this year. And this was equivalent to the highs before the sell-off originally. In terms of a correction lower, we've had a potential for a double or even a triple top. We really need to get a close below the 68.10 level for this to be confirmed. We're not getting that at the moment. We've seen multiple times where the 68.10 area has held and prices have reacted from it. Even as far as a couple of weeks ago, we got a break through it down to, all the way down to 67.06, so over 100 points lower than the level. However, on the week we closed above that level and formed a bullish hammer. Last week's price action was very positive indeed. It was in fact a Marabuzo candle, which is a very bullish candle, and that has engulfed pretty much all the price action from the previous month. So looking pretty decent on a weekly basis, and let's dive down into the daily chart to see what other levels we're looking at or what other formations. Now on the daily chart, I've highlighted this formation. It's an inverse head and shoulders formation, very powerful formations, and really need to get a close above the neckline, which we got on Friday. We've had a little bit of a pullback and a retest of the previous resistance, now support area, but quite a good break of that neckline, looking pretty positive. This morning we've been up to 70.71 and we've pulled off from there, got down to a low of 69.12 and rallied strongly from that. So looking quite positive overall, although we're showing signs of indecision at the moment. Now, the measured move target for this inverse head and shoulders formation is a move to 7,331. Really, the key levels for price action to hold, as I say, is that 68.10 level all the way down to 67.05. And they're the levels we've got to watch over the coming days and weeks. And so from a news sentiment perspective, we can see that from the radial gauge, that news sentiment has moved positively. We got a yesterday we got a bullish market alert. Let's drill it down. 40% confidence of the market moving higher based on the last 10 occurrences in the same sort of price action. Market has risen higher within 9 days of yesterday, and we can see this from here. We can see price action already starting to push higher today, trading around 69.70 as we speak. But you can see the news sentiment really moving along nicely, and price now starting to catch up with that news sentiment. So overall, from a news sentiment perspective, we are bullish. From a technical aspect, the real sort of reaction and formations we're seeing are pretty positive. We will have a little bit of a test to the downside maybe, but overall looking positive on the week, further upside seen in UK100. Thanks for joining me. I look forward to chatting again next week and running through some more market alerts. Take care.